calls or text messages, that's when we revoke bonds. You pick up a new case, I'm going to revoke the bond. Okay? All right, guys. All right. So they're going to have it filed, let you sign it, and then you're on your way. Okay. Of course. Thanks. I got Miss Teeters coming in now.
Right. So I was going to approach on that. I wanted to see if we could bring Miss Britton out.
Miss Britton?
Yeah, she's a fugitive case.
Ask him to bring her in.
Yeah, we just needed to confirm Miss Teeter was on the Zoom call.
Katie.
Yes, Judge.
Hi.
Hi, Judge.
Thank you for joining us.
Yes, Judge. Sorry, I've been running all around today.
Good exercise.
Yeah.
Unless it's virtual, then it's no exercise.
No, it's been in person for most of
Good
it.
exercise.
Yeah.
Unless it's virtual, then Do it's you no want exercise. something? Is that what you want?
No, it's been in person for most of it.
Yeah. Do you want something? Is that what you want?
Bond, Judge, that's for a bond.
Okay. Will, did you want to talk? What do you want to talk
Just
about?
briefly, I talked to my client, kind of a crazy situation.
Will,
So
did you want to talk? What do you want to
anyways,
talk about?
briefly, I talked to my client, kind of crazy situation.
No one has
So
approached me for anything.
you said you waived.
I'm just, all I know is that he signed that piece of paper. and It's the only thing I know. No one has approached me for anything. I haven't talked to anyone about the case. All I know is that I don't even know when it's paper. It's the only thing I know. I don't know anything. Probably talked to Sonia. I haven't talked to anyone about the case, so I have no idea. I don't even know when it's set. Or take, there's Amy. You probably talked to Sonia because she can give you more info. But my feeling is that they're probably, or take, there's Amy. Amy, might be able to give you more. Good morning, ma'am. Come on up. Are you Miss Troyanne Marie Britton? Good morning, ma'am. Miss Britton, you are charged. I'm sorry. Are you Miss Troyanne Marie Britton of Miss Britton, you are charged. I'm sorry, specifically. You are possession of a firearm or knife during a commission or of an attempt to commit for possession of a firearm or knife during a commission or an attempt to commit certain felonies. I don't know what, it just ends there. Your lawyer has asked for me to commit certain felonies. I don't know. I don't know anything about you. I've never met you before. Your lawyer has asked for me to set you a bond. I don't know. I don't know anything about you. I've never met you before. One of the main things, I got to see who you are. Are you a danger to our community? Number one, see whether I'm going to set you or not. If we set you a bond, one of the main things, are you really going to go back, or are you just a danger to our community? The things that we're really concerned with here. If we set you a bond, are you really going to go back, or are you just going to take Miss Britton? Things that we're really concerned with here.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Amy,
I would be a little bit concerned,
Tell me
Judge.
about Miss
I am
Britton.
seeing two failure to appear. Yes, Judge, I'm here. I would be a little bit concerned, Judge. I am seeing two failure to appear already by a person on her criminal history.
What was that?
I see a possession of a pistol by a person under 18.
Wait, what was that?
Failure, a possession of a pistol charge, and then I see a failure to appear. I see possession of a controlled substance charge, and then I see a failure to appear. Willful obstruction of possession of a controlled substance, and aggravated assault, willful obstruction of law enforcement officers, driving aggravated without a valid license, theft by receiving failure to appear.
Is that
So I'm a little bit concerned without a valid license. I'm seeing two failure to appear, Judge. So I'm a little bit concerned.
That's four
There's-
fugitive cases or
No,
just
I'm
open
seeing
cases
two
elsewhere?
failure to appear, Judge.
And where is all that history from? Were they fugitive cases or
So I
just
can't
open
tell,
cases
Judge,
elsewhere?
if it's a
where
fugitive
is all that
case
history
or
from?
not. I see that it's out of Fulton County. So I can't tell, Judge, if it's a fugitive case or not. I see Atlanta. I see that it's out of Fulton County. Let's see. I see Atlanta. It looks like most of these are out of Fulton County, Judge.
How long ago are the FTAs?
It looks like most of these are out of Fulton County,
recent
Judge.
or
So one is from
how
2023.
long ago are the FTAs?
And
Is it a recent or?
so one is from 2023. And the other one is from 2024, from 6/28/2024. It appears for a date, Judge, is from 2024, from 6/28/2024.
She's just 19 and already stacked with serious charges. The judge's disbelief isn't scripted, it's genuine shock. You can almost feel him thinking, what went wrong this early? This moment flips the courtroom from legal to emotional real quick.
That's holding her right now. And I'm
It might be,
assuming 6/28 one is
technically the warrant that we have written down is possession of firearm. So I'm not, it doesn't specify whether it's a failure to appear. Technically the warrant that we have written down is possession of firearm. So I'm not, it doesn't specify whether it's a failure to appear warrant
You know
or
when the
not.
hold was placed?
Let's see. Let's see.
She was booked on our.
It looks like it. I'm sorry, it looks like it's from February. It looks like it.
7.
I'm sorry, it looks like it's from February 24. Yeah, it doesn't, like I said, it does not specify that it's for the failure to appear. Yeah, it doesn't, like I said, it does not specify that it's for the failure to appear.
This is one of those cases where I'm not asking Judge, so she hasn't been before the court, turns herself in. This is one of those cases where I'm not asking. I've talked to her about your requirements, turns herself in, to where to set a bond, how affects her, how talked to her about your requirements in herself, you were to set a bond, how that affects her, how that affects the bond. She hasn't been before your court in herself, or asking for an opportunity for her to go turn herself in. She hasn't been before your court before that, asking for an opportunity for her to go turn herself in. She doesn't turn herself in within the state, but at this point, it sounds like possession of firearms, she doesn't turn herself in within the state, but has, at this point.
All her cases are dangerous cases. Assault, ag assault, possession of a pistol. Now she's got all her cases are dangerous cases. Certain felonies. We don't even know what the felonies are. Assault, do you know? Possession of a pistol. Now she's got a pistol case. A bunch of FTAs, at least 2 other FTAs. Now we've got a third.
No, Judge, not at this
You
time.
really want me to set you a bond? A bunch of FTAs, at least 2 other FTAs. Now we've got a third. What? You really want me to set you a bond? At some point, we got to say when. But I want hair. You know, you've racked up a bunch of criminal history. How old are you? How old is she? At some point, we got to say when. But 19 and all this. History. How old are you? How old is she?
She's, I think she just turned 19.
19 and all this? Absolutely not.
Is that right about that?
I'm in shock that you're 19. And Katie, how many priors are we talking here? At least like 6, 7, 8. Shock that you're 19.
It appears so, Judge, yes.
And Katie, how many priors are we talking here?
I'm sorry,
at least like 6, 7, 8. I just.
It appears so, Judge,
You
yes.
scared me, Miss Britton. No, really. I'm sorry. I don't think that I could trust you. If I think if I set you a bond, you scared me. Something is going to happen, or really, you're just not going to go back. I don't think that I could trust you. If I think if I set you a bond, I'm sorry. It's something is going to happen, or you're just not going to go back. And the good news is, is that you've made bond on your other case here. So the time is ticking for George to come get you. The good news is that you've made bond on your other case
She will
here.
need to waive today.
So the time is ticking for George to come get you. The process is that
if she wants that to
you can
happen.
either waive,
She will need to waive
or
today.
you can fight extradition. So in which case they will get a governor's warrant, which will take up to 90 days. You can either waive extradition, or you can fight Georgia, in which case they will get a governor's warrant, which will take up to 90 days. 14 days. Waive extradition. Harris County releases Georgia up to 14 days to come get you. And if they don't get you within that 14 days, with as many priors as you have, releases you, including 2 failure to appears. At 19, you really scare me. And with as many priors as you have, just including 2 failure to appears, you really trust me. And I don't think that it would. Sorry, just that it's time to pay. Can't trust you. I mean, all that, and you're 19. No, I mean, it's hard enough. All that. being a person of color in today's society. And now with all these priors, all you're doing is you're digging yourself a grave. Person of color in today's society. And now with all these priors, all you're doing is you're digging yourself a grave. You're making yourself unemployable. You buy nice things, you take nice vacations, you get married, you have kids, and they come up to you, hey, I love you, mom. You buy nice things, you take nice vacations, you get married, you have kids, and they come up to you, hey, I love you, mom. I love you, dad. Jail. Or 19, rotten, miserable, and all these serious priors. Come on, and out of jail. Stop it. 19. It's time to grow up. All these serious priors. Come on. Me giving you a bond now would be just enabling you, telling you what you're doing is okay. It's not. Me giving you a bond now, and now we'll wait for Jordan. Just enabling you, telling you what you're doing is okay. It's not. And now we'll wait for Jordan to come get you. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
You are Jose Aguilar Barrera. You speak English? Okay, toma asiento, por favor. Vamos a esperar.
Judge, I can call the next one up.
Okay.
And then I'll text you. Page 11, Jackson, come on up.
You were Latoya Jackson. Ms. Jackson, you were charged with fraudulent destruction of a price tag. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to, bless you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Yes,
Okay. Good
On
morning.
December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a theft at a business in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with a loss prevention officer who advised he was watching surveillance when he noticed the defendant removing price tags off items and placing them on different items in her basket. The total was $136.27. And when the officer spoke with the defendant, she admitted to removing price tags and placing them on different items before checking out.
Jackson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Do you work? What do you do for a living?
My healthcare, work from home.
Okay. What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have any children? Okay. Do you get support for the child? Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer? Okay. Do you mind giving an application, please? Deputy Lopez is going to give you an application. I'll have you fill it out. I'll see. I need to know everything about you, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you do, I'll provide you a lawyer today, ma'am. Please.
All right, Judge, I can call this matter supervisor.
Okay.
There are any bond conditions for?
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Yes. No going, where was it from?
The Walmart.
Okay, no going to any Walmart.
Yes, Judge.
If you don't mind filing that, and then, hey, I forgot to do conditions, and so before she goes, we'll do, no going to Walmart.
That's from the state.
Yeah. All right, you are Aguilar Barrera.
Con talaga.
Sí, soy yo.
Yes.
Okay, sir, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer initiated a traffic stop after observing the defendant failed to maintain a single lane and run over a curb in an underpass in Harris County, Texas. Upon contact, the officer observed unsteadiness, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. The defendant did not consent to standard field sobriety tests. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused a blood and breath sample. A search warrant was signed and executed.
Can you see any priority to the eyes? And have you see a
I have
Texas
no
driver.
license on file and there's no prior DWIs.
Okay. Mr. Aguilar Barrera, I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you were in this country without permission and you go to jail long enough and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care if you need groceries. I don't care if there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. You drive, I can have a contempt hearing. I can hold you in contempt, slap you with another 6 months in jail and or a $500 fine every time you drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming any kind of alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. No more PR bonds for you. You got out of jail quick because we gave you a PR bond. If you pick up a new case or violate conditions, I will revoke your bond and you will be stuck in there for at least 6, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours. And that's when immigration will put their clutches all over you. This is the only warning you're going to get. Heed this warning. How old are you, sir? What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Como unos 3,000 a la mes.
All right, we're going to give you time to go hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here.
I have an attorney.
Oh, you do?
Sí, hay abogado.
Business.
Androgen.
Oh, and droga? Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'm going to have you swear to us you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria to sign a reset. I'll have you meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, and then we'll just have you wait in back for your lawyer to arrive.
Gracias.
Please.
Thank you, señor.
All right, Judge, next is page.
I have to admonish you. So before you leave, please.
Yes.
Come on. Ms. Jackson, I wanted to just apprise you that when we have cases of this nature, I forbid you from going back to the place in question. In this place, it's Walmart. You're not allowed to go to Walmart. You're not allowed to go to any Walmart for any reason. It doesn't matter. Do you understand? If we catch you at a Walmart or if you pick up a new case, I'm going to revoke the bond. I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. You understand, man? Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Josh.
Council for recess.
But a judge decides to
Yeah, hi, James.
Morning, Judge. I have Michael James. It's an old case, but I was appointed December 9th. I was just appointed about less than a month ago, Judge.
Okay.
And we have a PCI deal worked out where if he does a gun safety course and some anger management, the case will be dismissed. Can we get him, how long would you like?
Is he here?
No, Judge, he's here.
Come on up, sir. So a gun class and you said community service?
No, gun safety course and anger management course.
Anger management, okay. Is it like a 2 or 3 hour anger management class?
It's a 4 hour.
It's a 4 hour, Judge.
Okay.
They just said do any online one.
2 classes to do and the case gets dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Each class is around 2 to 4 hours. How long do you think it'll take you to get done?
It's not gonna take me long. I'll get on that today.
2 weeks?
Yes, Judge, that'd be
All right.
plenty of time.
Okay, all right, good luck.
Thank you so much.
You
Thank
too.
you, Judge.
Okay, ready?
Yes, Judge, may I proceed?
Hi, yes, of course.
Osvaldo Presa.
Presa,
Yeah.
okay.
And
Uy,
my intention was to work out.
it's 225 days old. I think that now will get their attention. We'll see. If they come in, we can still do it at any time, but I'm not gonna roll it when it's SFBF today, you know? Yeah, and then just whenever, at some point, they'll either picked up. If they wanna come in and do it, bring them in, we'll just do it. Okay? So how many times, let me see how many times he's missed. I normally set it around 5,002 if they've missed 2 times. I don't know how many times he's missed, so let me see. Okay, I'll do 5,001. Okay, sure.
All right.
Oh. Sorry, 5,002. Presa. He has 2 times that he failed to appear.
Judge, for her meeting on today, it should still be ready for activities. Is there any way we could change the box to say admins? Since we changed our commissioners.
On the actual, I mean, I don't know if I can do that. Let me see. You mean on the bond violation report?
Yes.
I see. I did it.
Thank you.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
No, that's okay. Yeah.
Listen close, the judge turns motivational here. He's painting 2 futures, success or self-destruction. It's more than sentencing, it's a life lecture. And you can tell, he really wants her to choose better.
Hey, Victoria. On Presa, on the 12/19, it's a required appearance and the defendant did not sign. So the defendant was a no-show?
Right, that's what was said in the problem.
It doesn't say that in the court notes, though.
I think on the reset, it said a required appearance. And then I saw the following reset was set for lawful pictures.
Are you ready? You?
Yes, Judge. Good morning. Approaching on Salustrio Garcia. And I just have a standing breath test. Just for everyone else.
Yeah, I'll sign it. Come on.
Thank you.
Are you okay with it? You want them to sign it too or no?
No.
You don't?
Government office policy. but
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
I
Okay.
got it done.
So that's it. All right. Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, Judge, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Sorry, there's a jackhammer going on outside my window, so apologies for that if it
No,
comes up.
I don't think we can hear it. What's going on with you, man?
Okay, I have a client that I represent on a felony case here in Harris County out of Judge Morton's court. And I know he was picked up on a warrant out of Louisiana. I was trying to figure it out. Anyway, I saw he was on docket today there. Last name's Rodriguez.
He said he's on docket today?
Yeah, he's in custody as a fugitive case.
Okay, hold on. Are you representing him in the fugitive case?
No, I represent him in the felony case.
Okay.
He has a pending felony here in Harris County that he's on bond for, but he was picked up on a warrant out of Louisiana. He's been in custody, and I think he got put on your docket today.
So we have Sonia representing him.
Okay. And what can you tell me what happened today with him, or has anything happened?
I don't know. Let me see. It looks like he made bond on his felony case. So does he have a Do you have a waiver? You say a waiver that's been signed in that case? Do you see?
For Rodriguez?
Yeah.
Let me see, Judge. And it was filled out today, or it's already in the system?
I don't know. I don't see anything. You said you saw a waiver?
No, that's what Sonia had said, that was already signed waiver in place.
Did he waive already? I don't know. I don't have any, so I don't know. I don't know, Will. I have no idea.
Because I know she said she was already.
You could reach out to Sonia. You can also reach out to Day at the DA's office, you know, Day Kim.
Yeah.
Reach out to him. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have either of them here to be able to tell me what happened, and there's nothing online, so I have no idea.
Okay.
Typically,
Just so you know, we are waiting for Amy to come back for a fugitive case with Ricardo.
Amy's supposed to come back, so just hang tight and we can tell you.
Okay. And tell me, can you finish what you're saying? I've never quite understood the fugitive thing on waiving extradition. How does that work?
We got this morning.
So he waived.
Okay.
So essentially, we're waiting for the other jurisdiction to see if they come pick him up.
He has 14 days, right? Okay. Does he have a bond set in that Louisiana case? Do we know?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Let me
I'll come back
wait for Amy to get here, and then we can tell you more. Okay? Yeah, give me a couple.
I may have to.
Or if
Okay,
you don't
I'll
have
hang
time,
on.
you can come back or whatnot. It's up to you.
I will get back in touch at some point today, for sure.
Okay.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. Hi, you ready?
No, the report is still not ready. I was just gonna ask if we could roll it till tomorrow, Judge. My client had to be back at work at
Happened.
12. And
Working on the report right now. They got all the information this morning, so.
Does it look like everything's done?
Everything is done.
Okay, so yeah, we'll waive it. We'll roll it and waive it to tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Mr. Garris, you ready?
Well, halfway ready. But ready on Mr. Lotta's case, which is set on the
Let's do it.
docket tomorrow, Judge.
Okay.
And he had felony court today. And so I advised him to come down here after felony court, just maybe more expedient. Overall, he's here in the back.
Come up, Miss Alera. Are you representing him upstairs?
No, not upstairs. But I guess have learned that they have a TRAS set on the felony charge upstairs. He is made bond here on our case, and I think we need to get some bond conditions put in place. I talked with the state, we're amenable to no contact, no going near the protected address that is the subject of the individual.
I'm going to put a monitor on you though. You're a flight risk and you're on felony probation. You continue to do whatever you want to do when you want to do it. The court system doesn't work like that. And I'm going to tell you now, you ever take off on me again, I'm going to make your bond so high you'll have teeth falling out. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You will now get a leg monitor so we know where you are at all times. It's a GPS monitor. If you fail to charge it, I'm going to revoke your bond. All you're doing is enriching bonding companies every time you take off, because all we do is we revoke it, raise it, you're throwing money. So if you have a lot of free money, great. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're not to have contact with the complaining witness. You're not to be in possession of any weapons. Do we know what is expected with the TRAS or no?
I don't at this moment.
No.
I think that just.
When is the TRAS set for? Do you know? Let me see.
February. And I think the felony date set February 19th, if I'm not mistaken.
So I'm not going to hold this case open for that long, right? So we need to figure out a resolution here. So what I'll do is I'll give you, 3 weeks. When you come back, you guys need to let me know what you want to do. But there's no way that I'm holding this case open for that felony case. No, you need to decide what you want to do here. And then when you come back next time, you must either accept the plea bargain or I'm going to set your case for trial. Do you understand? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Gotcha. See you in 3 weeks.
Judge, did you want the, contact address to the exclusion zone as well?
Correct. Assuming that's the same. Right.
Yes.
Now we switch gears.
Okay.
Same judge, different
Guys,
case.
come on up.
He warns about
So we're
immigration
set for trial
consequences
on
like
Tuesday.
a reality check.
Right.
This
You
isn't scare
said
tactics. It's the cold system truth.
I guess there's
One
baby day
slip,
school,
and
so they're not,
freedom
whoever
turns
was
into
going
a
to try is not going to be
6-month
able to be here.
detention nightmare.
Okay. Guys, come on up. So we are set for trial on Tuesday, right? You said that, I guess there's baby day school, so they're not, whoever was going to try is not going to be able to be here. I usually give one reset per side, and that's it. I don't know if you've had a reset before in this case. So if you have, that's it, you know.
I'm seeing for under the settings.
What is the cause number, if you don't mind?
Oh, yeah, it's 2499532.
No, that can't, no, 2499153?
2499532.
Sorry.
Shane Proler. Shane Proler.
Judges, press set.
I know, but has the state gotten a, have I granted them a continuance before? I know that this case has been reset for trial before, but I don't remember who did it.
I believe they had problems with the witness, maybe. And that something with one of the witnesses. I don't see a motion for continuance, but seems like there was a problem with one of their witnesses.
I always ask them to file a motion too, you know, but I don't know why. Who had this case before? Do you remember? With DA?
That was Morgan's case.
I don't see a motion for continuance. Do you want one?
Judge, I apologize. There was no motion, but they were trying to get a transcript of a tape or something. If you look in the
Oh, that's right.
in the images,
They needed like 60 or 90 days to get it.
Right.
Right. I remember that. Yeah. Tell me tell me what's the word?
Yeah, Your Honor, we do have a note that we requested that translation. I don't have any notes in here regarding the discussions of PTI. We did have probation and time served on there.
Yeah, and she can't take time served. My position is, Judge, we don't know what's gonna happen over the next 4 years, but she is legally, but I don't know what.
Would you be interested in the PTI or no?
I would have to talk to her, Judge. I'd have to talk to her. Because of the circumstances are kind of strange with this, as you can well imagine, when they got a situation where it takes 60 to 90 days to get an interpretation. She was a trial. That's what the problem.
I mean, if she wasn't driving, then she can't do a PTI, because a PTI, you have to admit responsibility. And if you're not driving, then you can't accept responsibility, you know? So. And I don't, have you guys done any eval to see whether you guys can prove up driving?
I
don't know.
reached out to Morgan to see if she had received any information that maybe she has the translations and she looked at it. I'm trying to see right now what she's done so far.
But we do have notes in our DA work product regarding what was seen on the body worn camera.
And I'm not asking you to say anything,
Yeah.
right? I'm just, I mean, if you think it's good for trial, then it's good for trial, right?
Morgan has not received anything for translation, so we need to eval without.
You haven't?
We don't have it. So she requested and she never heard back from the translation request. So we would need to look at the case again without
I
them.
mean, I've literally reset this case for 90 days.
Yes, Judge,
If it
so-
never got done, I'm moving forward.
Yes,
I
Judge.
don't care.
Yes,
you know?
Judge, and we understand. So we would request maybe a week at the most.
No,
Okay.
let's do this. Today's Tuesday, let's reconvene maybe Thursday at the latest Friday.
Yes, Judge.
But I'm going to tell you now, if the translation didn't get done,
Yes, Judge.
I don't care. We're going. I gave whoever it was 90 days for it to get done.
Yes,
If
Judge.
they never got done, then that's not, a lot of times you got to follow up because so many people just don't do what they're supposed to do and it sucks. But
And of course, you got people coming in and leaving, Judge, and I understand that. as well.
and that's the other problem is that there's the turnover, especially with.
Yeah.
And we understand, Judge.
So pick a day, Thursday or Friday. Let's come back, eval it, see if you have your stuff ready to go, and then we'll talk and reconvene. At least this way gives you at least a little bit of time to look and speak with whomever. And
Yes, Judge.
okay, all right.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
And this young lady came and got me, so I appreciate that. Thank you.
It's like catching a unicorn. It really is. That's a great job. It's like winning the lottery when we get you. Really, that's how popular you are.
Kind of died.
I know.
And
It's a shame. He was such a nice guy.
It's been a while.
He's great. When is her?
The 11th.
Okay.
So,
I'll be there. Okay.
thank you, Judge.
Thanks, guys.
Judge, this one, next week, it's set for the 14th for the trial. It's a David DA week. They're gonna be on.
They're off docket. They're not. The judge is gonna decide what to do when they come back either Thursday.
When we reconvene, we'll get to it. All right.
You want us on Thursday, Judge?
Are you okay with? Are you okay with Thursday?
Yes,
Yes, Judge. Thursday's fine.
Thursday. No, we're just coming back to talk about it. There's no need to move it. Leave it as is. We're just gonna come back, kind of like in an informal discussion. Okay. All right, are we done? Come on. You said we have two, please?
This is off docket. I don't know if he's even here. I haven't gotten his signature.
What's the cause number?
2466143, but he hasn't even shown up. He's right.
Exactly.
Brian Garris.
Garris was here earlier. Is she on docket today?
No, this is off docket. This person's set for February 25th.
Jerry, what's the case number?
2466143. I don't even.
I'm calling Brian. Just saying. Hey, guys.
Hey, good,
Whoa.
oh, yes.
Whoa.
Good.
Yes.
Honey, don't yes me. I'm here in love. You told me to give you the travel. Yes, Iron Dawes has travel.
No.
Yes, he does.
Is he here? He's coming.
It only took him a couple of days to get from India, but he has it finally.
I'm
floored.
That's wonderful. So however you want to do it, I'm happy to do it.
He needs the warrant lifted so he can travel because he's about to have a conviction.
Do you have a document saying what was it? He was gonna get. Was it not? Yeah, but was it? He was waiting to get a visa.
Yes, he had a work visa before COVID, and when COVID happened, it was like you got to go home, and so he went, and he's been there in India all this time, and he's been working his way to get back here. So finally, they were going to send him to upstate, but then he really wanted to be here, so they granted him his request, and it will take him 2 days, but he has his travel.
Do you have a plane ticket or something that says that he's going to come? Wonderful.
He says, oh, he starts giving it to me in email, and I said, no.
So this gentleman, he picks up a DWI, and he ends up getting deported to India. right? Because we give him a PR bond. He's literally been working for, are we talking 5 years now?
Yes, he's
5 years to try to get a visa to come back here to be able to take care of this case.
Yes,
And she's been staying with it that long. Yeah.
He
Amazing.
has resources to help me, so it's not.
You are.
He has resources. He's an engineer. He went to a company party, he was drinking, he decided to be cool. And cool called up.
Slick
with
as
him.
grease, huh?
Yeah, so yes, this is his electronic e-ticket with the guitar.
No, look, I trust you. You're an officer of the court.
Yes.
I believe you. Just, we'll reinstate. Tell me what day you want, and we'll put it on for that day.
That'll be perfect.
It doesn't matter to me, whatever you want.
Tell her.
So, we need to, the cause number at least.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Okay.
It's DAS, right?
Correct, and.
Let me see. Let's see who gets it first.
Oh, I'm right here. All right, I got it.
Okay.
I got 2300140.
2300. That's it.
Yep.
Okay. Did you get that? It's 2300 140. I'm just gonna leave the bond as is and I'll reinstate.
So looks like he takes off.
No, it's 2300 140. Das is the last name. DAS. Do you need it or no?
Oh, yes, because we're reinstating it a personal bond.
Yeah.
2300.
140. And then just tell Victoria whatever day you want, and then we'll put it on for that day. And then once we comes here, we'll just do or just whatever you need. Good job. Good job.
So we're putting them in for bond conditions?
Yeah. So whatever day, because he's going to need a couple days, but for whenever he lands. Okay.
Judge, do we need to bring this Britain out for the?
No.